So good morning children. So today we are going to discuss about the science topic. In that, what is the topic name? That is the living and non-living things. Okay na? So in that living and non-living things, what is that? This is a class 3, right? In our science notes we are going to discuss. Okay? Notes we are discussing. Now see here the first question. So already some questions I given, yes or no? So what is the question now? So I given in the previous class I given some question answers to you. Now the C question. So what is the C question, Amma? What is that? What is lifespan? Okay. What is lifespan? What is meant by lifespan? Then what is the lifespan? What is the lifespan of a butterfly? Okay. So this is a question. So for that we are right to write answer for that. So what is the answer? Now we'll continue to write answer. Okay. Now what is the answer? All living things, all living things live up to a certain age called the lifespan. Understood now? All living things live up to a certain age called the lifespan. Okay. So then next point, a butterfly lives for around 20 to 30 days. Okay na? A butterfly lives around 20 to 30 days. Okay, this is a C question answer we given. Okay. Now next question. Just I am going to write the next question in the below of the answer. Now what is the question? D question. Yes or no? So D. What is the D, Amma? I'll write it. Wait. So D question. How do frogs and butterflies breathe? How do frogs and butterflies breathe? Okay na? This is a question. Okay, now answer I am giving to you. See that answer. Frogs breathe through Frogs breathe through nose and skin. That is a specialty, amma. Okay, frogs breathe through so their nose and skin. And next one, butterfly. Okay, na? So butterfly. So butterfly. Now we are writing butterfly. Butterflies breathe through. So butterflies breathe through air holes. Correct or not? So air holes, na? So air holes in their body. That's it. Okay, na? So butterflies breathe through air holes in their body. That's it. So these are two question answers I given. Okay. So write that answers. Now next go for the next question. Okay, na? So next slide I'm going to show. Write the next question, E. So CD completed, na? And E question, right? So what is the E one? How do birds and next one, lizards. How do birds and lizards reproduce? So reproduction is there, na? Reproduction topic, it will be there. How do birds and lizards reproduce? Okay. How do birds and lizards reproduce? So how it is possible, among? Answer is there in your textbook only, right? The birds and lizards reproduction will be there. Reproduction is there. Now I'll write the answer. Birds and lizards reproduce. Correct? Or birds and lizards lay eggs. Lay eggs. Birds and lizards lay eggs from which babies hatch. Okay, which babies hatch. So clear, na? So completed. So this is a simple answer we given for that. How do birds and lizards reproduce? Reproduction. Okay. So that's it. Birds and lizards lizards lay eggs from which babies hatch. Next slide. I am going to write another next question. So what is the next question, Amma? So fifth bit A. Correct? So fifth bit. Fourth bit completed, na? Fifth bit A. So fifth bit, what it will be? Describe three ways in which living things are different from non-living things. Okay. Okay, describe three ways in which living things are different from non-living things. Clear? So next. So for that answer I am going to give, listen. So what answer? We already know this answer, right? But I am going to give Listen, write in your notes. Now answer, I am writing, just wait. So do you know this answer? Right, I am writing. So living things have movement. Correct or not? All people agree? Living things have movement. So growth. Okay, living things have movement, growth, and lifespan. Okay, and what is the next one? Lifespan. Is the three are important things are there. So explanation we will give. So this is a simple answer, and more extra information I am going to give to you. Okay, living things have movement, growth, lifespan. Now, so non-living things. So non-living things. It is a small is a spelling mistake is there, you all of you correct it. So non-living things, this I written, not this things, THINGS. Non-living things do not move, do not have movement, growth, lifespan. Okay, now don't write as it is. What I am saying, listen carefully. Non-living things, not this. Things, THINGS, things. So okay, so typing mistake it is. Do not have movement, growth, lifespan. Okay, so next one, movement. Now movement means, what is a movement? What is mean by movement in detail, and we are going to write. Okay, living things move on their own in nature, in search of food. Correct or not? So living things are right too. Yes, and shelter also, food and shelter. Living things move on their own in search of food and shelter. Okay, so next one, growth. Okay, so what is the growth? Growth means living things living things grow and change. Correct or not? Living things grow and change. Next one is a lifespan. Okay, what is a lifespan? Lifespan is nothing but so live up to a certain age. Live up to a certain age live up to a certain age. So that is called as a lifespan. Okay na? So this is the answer for that. Clear? So got it, fifth A got it, all of you. Now we'll go for the next one, B. What is the next answer? B. Next question, B. Explain growth in living things with suitable examples. Okay na? So this is another question. Explain growth in living things with suitable examples. Okay? What is the answer for that? Living things suitable examples I am going to give. So very easy, very simple. Already in your textbook they given already. Okay? What is the things are there? I am going to write. So living things grow and change. Correct or not? Living things grow and change. Okay? A kitten grows up to become a cat. A kitten grows up to become a cat. A puppy, same answer, grows up to become a dog. Correct? So next one, examples. These are all examples. Next one. What is that next one? Anything example? Kitten completed, puppy completed, means cat and dog completed. Seed, yes, seed is also there. Seed grows into, okay. Seed grows into a plant. Plant grows. Okay. Now the plant grows also become as a tree. So now we are writing answer for that. Wait. Okay. Now we'll start writing. So how many examples completed? Cat completed, dog completed, seed also completed. So next one I will type, that is the plant is also going to become as a, yes, see the plant grows plant grows and become a big tree. Okay, so plant grows and become a big tree. Correct or not? So this is one of the answer for that. Okay, that's all. Enough na for this answer? Very nice. Good. So this is answer for that. Next question. What is the next question, Amma? What is the next question? C. Okay. C question. Explain. So what is reproduction? Reproduction with suitable examples. Explain what is reproduction with suitable examples. Okay, na? Suitable examples we are going to write now. So what is the reproduction means? We already know this reproduction, Amma. You already know this one topic we discussed. Yes or no? What does that means? Living things can produce more of their kind. Okay, living things can produce more of their kind. That is called as the process of producing more of one's kind. Okay, the process of producing more of one's kind is called reproduction. Okay, na? So then next one, examples. Now we want to give examples, right? Suitable examples. Cows, dogs, elephant. So elephants also there, and mice. Okay, so give birth to babies. So cows, dogs, elephants and mice give birth to babies. So these are all our different kind of examples we given. Okay, na? Like so birds also there. Birds, lizards, snakes lay eggs from, so which babies hatch. Okay, hatch. So next point, mostly it is the last point. Okay, so seeds, yes or no? The seeds also, it is a living thing or not? So seeds that give rise to new plants. Okay, na? So seeds that give rise to new plants. So these are all the different type of examples, Amma, what we given. Okay, na? So clear?